Hi, all. Welcome to another episode of Monica's Positive Vibes. Hope you're doing good by God's grace. Hope things are much better in your place and hope you are safe and sound. Well, what is this episode going to deal with? It is going to deal with two important tips that would encourage your life to create a vibration which no one can cancel out of you. Well, what are the techniques? Are you ready? If you're ready, wait for a few minutes. I will be describing that in this episode. Well, the concept behind the NLP, many of you are asked, and a subscriber in the Tamil channel have asked about how to pass an examination. Yes, it's very simple. Through NLP, you're going to give affirmations to your body in the form of words that would create a thought, and the thoughts will become your action. Very simple. So, if you're going to write an exam, when you're starting to prepare for an exam, you have to first close your eyes, take a deep breath within, and breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing first. In the previous episodes, I have given detailed explanation of what NLP is. If you have any doubts, please visit my NLP in the playlist so that you can get a vast idea about it. And if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section so that I will quickly answer to you, as well as the other audience who have read that comments would have clarified the doubt on time. Okay. This is the process, sister. I don't remember her name. Uh, what you have to do in NLP process, follow the first two steps, and in the third step, I am concentrating on my studies. Every concept comes into my mind. I am writing the exam very well. I am scoring a good mark. Change your affirmation part alone and dream on it so that you will achieve greater height. The thing that I'm going to explain today may seem weird or may not be acceptable to all. So, the two secrets of a happy life is accepting more and any guesses? Accepting more? Okay. The two things that I wanted to tell you that made me feel much better than who I am or who I was accepting as it is more and expecting less. Acceptance, it doesn't come as such. If your mind accepts, okay, this day I felt something low, I accept it. Thank you, God, or thanks to the supreme power. If you start accepting that you are the one who will be in the position to step forward to the other next step with a greater height of vibrations, that would definitely encourage you to grow in positive attitude. When you are in positive attitude, definitely you're going to win. Aren't you feeling that comfort inside you? When someone says you are born to win, what do you feel from inside? Yes, I am born to win. It should come from within. If you pronounce it that way, you're definitely born to win. Some of us say that I'm not worthy. Our self esteem go very low when others say something about us. You need not feel that. Whenever others say something, please do remember in your mind. Your mind is already a teacher who's teaching you so many things. Accept what is required for you and ignore others. What I'm trying to say in this episode, many of you are wondering that. Yes, I can feel that in my mind, and your vibrations are telling me what Monica is about to tell. Well, very simple. If you're facing a failure, for example, if you're losing a job, if you're scoring very less in an examination, or if your dream is not fulfilled, accept that first. After which, you have to take steps on which you have to improvise rather than saying that I failed, I did not get this, I did not get that. Give your mind positive vibrations so that you are definitely born to win any situation around you that comes to you when you accept things as they are teaching you some lessons in life where it says that the best always comes to you when you accept more. Simple. Then, expecting from others. This concept is very much needed where a kid expects appreciation from her parents or his parents, where that encouragement will motivate them to greater heights. A piece of word can change anything. Before others could expect from you, be the change and start appreciating the things around you, the people around you for little things so that they don't expect more. When they already get that vibration, they are in the state that acceptance of more will lead to a vibration that is unimaginable, that is in the positive direction. Hope I'm very clear. Start accepting things as they are, accepting people as they are, instead of saying, I expect this from them, I expect this from the thing, and this outcome I expect. Simple as that. When you start accepting, your vibrations around you turn for the good of you and work out greater things. All the very best. Try this out and do comment your feedbacks in the comment section, as well as you can mail me your doubts at mp.positivevibes@gmail.com. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this is clear to you. In this episode, in short, is accepting more and expecting less is the two things that you have to remember in your life. Throughout your life, remember this: you are definitely born to win. Thank you all. Until we meet next Wednesday, it's next Thursday. Stay tuned for my updates. Keep watching. Spread love. Love you all. Take care. Bye.